fucking with the motion. She know we don't niggas. Them Perkins hitting hard. I think I can feel them. Ain't no point in trying to win my.
Yeah, we live. We live streaming.
Hey guys! Badass truck, by the way. Okay,
yeah, that's my shit though, by the way. Y'all ready? Do a cute little pose. Like, yeah, like pop that ass out. There you go. Let me know how they came out.
Okay.
If not, we could work on it. Say it again.
Stay right there so I can see it. What do we have?
Bajas y trocas inside me, please.
What's your thing?
Put up the window.
Carla, we need to put your ass like facing that way. Okay, take it again.
Yeah, we need all the good angles. Get all the good angles.
Okay, hey! We're not hookers! We're not hookers! We are not hookers!
Okay. Hold on. Wait, what the fuck?
Okay, that's enough.
No, hold on, it turned off. Well, so y'all can have a variety to choose from. Damn. Okay, that's it. Alright, that's it. Alright, chat, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're outside. We're at my No, it's OTM. We posted it with the truck. American Forces. This is my truck, by the way. I actually haven't been posting on YouTube. It's because I've been grinding, I've been getting to the money and whatnot, stacked up some papers, and I decided to buy myself something nice. Check it out, man. Look. Over here too. This ain't my line. It's my cousin's truck. I'm where you at? What's up, Omar? Hey, do you want to tell the vlog what you've done to the truck? No, you don't want to tell us?
No, later.
Okay, babe. But yeah, we gonna walk around and check out the trucks. We finna troll. The goal for tonight is to get drunk and start fighting people. Let me know what you guys think about the outfit. I know you guys be seeing me in the videos. The reason I don't post is because I don't got too many outfits, and I don't want you guys to talk shit about my outfits, bro. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and see. I'm already tripping, bro. I'm already tripping. Sipping on that new mix. If you know, you know. You trying to say something to the vlog, man? I'm vlogging. How you doing? Doing good, and you?
Good, too.
What you feeling like? How you feeling today?
How I'm feeling? Too damn hot, man.
It's hot.
Always good, man. I thank God.
It's a good day today.
Always, man.
Blessed day.
You want some intros?
Some what?
You want some intros?
What is that?
These wheels.
Oh, some intros?
Hell yeah.
How much we talking?
Cheap for you, man. Best price in the country, man. Whatever size you want.
Yeah, you guys are on Buckner, right?
No, I'm in Fort Worth.
Oh, you're in Fort Worth? Okay. Oh, okay. So 4Gs, you don't have no 4Gs?
I got 4Gs, I got Amanis, I got American Forces, anything you want, bro.
Tell them where you're located.
Big Force Customs, 3100 Mass Highway in Fort Worth, Texas, bro.
You guys heard it here first. Make sure you guys check them out.
Anything you want, bro. Lift kids, drop kids, anything, bro. We do it all, man.
Everything.
Huh?
Hey, are you guys gonna be on the burnout pit?
No, my truck didn't make it this year, bro.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, the transmission is fucking fucked up on it, bro.
Shit, what you have?
Two trucks, cat eyes.
Oh, two cat eyes. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Damn, it would have been nice to bring them out here and burn out, because that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to get a POV.
Oh shit.
It would have been good for the vlog.
Hell yeah, bro. I
Crazy.
got 30 trucks here, but I ain't putting none of them in a burnout truck now.
Yeah, it's more like show trucks.
Yeah, all mine's are trucks.
They're lifted.
From that C10 all the way to that fucking thread candle. It's all mine, bro.
If I have to ask you a question, would you prefer lifted trucks or drop trucks?
Lifted.
Lifted? Why you say that?
Man, I can still use them, man. You know,
Yeah.
pull trailers, do whatever I need to do.
That's true.
Big old wheel, not be worried about a pothole. Drop is nice, man.
Look
You
at
know,
that.
just to cruise on it, you know.
Something for the weekend.
Yeah, something for the weekend, you know.
And then put that lifted truck to work.
Yeah, put the truck
Exactly.
to work.
Yeah, man, but it was nice meeting you.
Take care, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here chilling though. You gonna be drinking it up with us?
No.
No, you don't drink?
I don't drink.
No? Oh, that's good, that's good. No, you gotta take it again. It didn't record.
Nah.
Bro, it wasn't recorded, bro. Spin it back. Okay, I see you, boy. Shout yourself out, bro. We on vlog. We got 2,000 people watching.
Forward kicks is cut. Right here.
I see you got the chain. Let me see the chain. Damn, boy, that's nice. Get a close up on that. How much you dropped on that?
2.2.
2.2.
Just for that.
I ain't gonna lie, boy. I'm itching to snatch that shit on the cool. What is that jackass on? I think we should go over there. That's where the action is at. The burnout pit. Damn. How you doing? You wanna say hi to my vlog? You wanna say hi to my live stream? Damn. Let me give you a 360 for the camera. Okay, nah, I gotta have your number, no cap.
I'm a boyfriend, I'm sorry.
It's a beautiful car. Damn. Dude, that is sick. You got the speakers in the back. And I'm pretty sure they got, oh, what they got right here? Oh my God. It's wide in the hips. Pretty big. Jumbo. What's good, bro? And you wanna see how beautiful it is? Go down. You trying to go down? No, I want to view. It's hot, right? Fucking hot. ¿No estás un sombrero? Let me get your IG before I leave.
Yeah, I can do.
I don't have my phone on me on the pool.
My internet's fast right now.
Yeah,
One of my messages are sending.
Damn. Just tell me it.
It's Rosario Vasquez.
B-A-Z. Así nada más. Say it again. I'm doing
It's Vasquez. V-A-Z.
Rosario Vasquez.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. You have a good one. Hey, you better not dance with no one except for me, alright?
No problem.
I'm gonna spin the vlog. Alright, if I see you, I'm doing it now. Damn, you mad fine. Hey, you gotta say something for the vlog. You gotta say something for the vlog. We're vlogging. We got 2,000 people watching right now. What you gotta say? I don't know. Like, what's your name?
My name's Marissa. It's my first time here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you enjoying it?
I just got here. It's hot.
It's hot, yeah. You ain't bring no sombrero?
No.
Would you rate my fit? 1 out of 10. What you give it? A 6. Damn.
My drip.
Do a spin? A 360? Okay, I give you 8. It's cute. Yo, whose truck is this? Hey, I fuck with the truck, man.
Thank you.
It's nice. You think you could rev it for us?
Huh?
Can you rev it for us?
Stop doing something much better.
You have to wait. It's for the vlog. You gotta turn up the vlog, man. Yo. What? Oh my God! Look at that. That's a choke joke.
Yeah, hey. You play the Fortnite way.
Add the sound. I'm gonna add the sound effect. Editor, add the sound effect, jackass. Oh my God. Oh. Buddy ass on fire.
Hey, on the bottom.
Shit, valió verga, man. Shit.